Hi everyone, and welcome to Crochet by Shawn. Today I want to show you how to do the basic chain stitch. And to start, you're just going to need a 4-ply yarn and a size J crochet hook. It's similar to a pencil or a pen, so it'll be easier to hang on to start. And first we're just going to make a little circle, drop your loop behind, take your hook, and pull it up. And we can do that again. Just going to make a little loop, drop it behind, take your hook, and pull up that drop loop. Okay? And then I just weave the yarn in my fingers. You can do it however you're comfortable with. And there's 2 ways you can hold on to your hook. You can hold it underhanded and work this way, or you can hold on to it overhanded and work this way. And this is what I do. So we're going to take the hook and go under the yarn, yarn over, and pull through that loop. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And if you watch, I turn my hook while I'm doing it, so I make the hook work for me. Turn the hook to the back, yarn over, pull it to the front, and then pull through. Turn it to the back, yarn over, pull it to the front, and through. Turn to the back, yarn over, turn it to the front, and pull through. This way, the hook does all the work for you. And that is your basic chain stitch. Thanks so much for joining us today. And we'll see you next time for the single crochet.